Okay, welcome to Adam's Ham Radio. We have this kit we haven't opened up yet. I'm gonna try to find a place to set this camera down somehow. Oh boy. Somehow and somewhere. Oh boy, there we go. Okay, let's see what we got. Open up the package. There, you can smell Chinese air coming right through. Just the bag. Open the schematics. Oh, that must be the cover plate and the PCB board. That's interesting. Okay. Set this stuff out of the way. Okay, this is the parts list. I better put this cover somewhere, you know where it is, won't lose it. Okay. Here's your parts list. The NPN. Let's see. They give you the color codes if you can't read them. Right here. And let's see. Speaker. Did I get the speaker? Okay, this is the cover of it, back cover. And here's the guts. And the little speaker. It's not a halfway little decent little speaker. This lighting is horrible. Maybe I should turn some extra lighting on. That might help a little bit better. And here's the front of the unit. I was planning I'm going to put DC through it. I found a little thing here. You just mount this on the side. I think there's a hole already for the side for power. I think. Yeah, right here. Just drill a little hole. There's like a little tab right here. Right where that hole is, there's like a X right there. So just put this thing right through, drill it, and then you can plug this into, I think, 7 volts. I think it is. That's I think I have a 7 volt. Here's the parts. I think I have a 7 volt. Let me see what it calls for on the thing here on the schematic. Get the circuit board out of the way. This out of the way. Okay, it's called, let's see, email. Okay, I don't need that. Okay, everything is, schematics are right here. Looks like we got some NPNs, push-pull. Hang on a minute. I have my glasses on. Let's see, there's a variable capacitor. Audio transformer. diodes, a D1, a D2, IN4148. This is not like the best top of the line radio, but I'll use it for my local news and stuff, just for yahahas. And it's all in Chinese, the rest of it. And I'm looking for some NPNs, NPN, PNPs. Let's see, we got a signal diode here, looks like. No, that's protection diode. Just forgive me, guys. I'm just doing this with one hand and trying to get this all in one into the screen here. Okay, that's your variable capacitor. Comes in. There's your audio transformer. Comes out through these cans. Kind of like cans. Let's see if we got those in here. Yes. Those are your IF cans. 1, 2, 3. And there's 4. This is a push-pull design, I guess, close to it. Okay, it's 3 volts. You could probably put about 7 volts in there. Ain't gonna hurt it. The components are pretty well, kind of beefy. And it's the layout. The layout of the circuit, right there, of the circuit board. That's what it looks like on this side, of course. And then you turn it around. That's what she is right there. Okay. This looks like a pretty cool little kit. I can't remember. Somebody built one of these. It wasn't too bad. It wasn't too bad at all. And this is where the battery compartment is. I could leave the battery compartment, then I'll just tie them a negative and positive, and I'll put it right onto the side lug, or on the side of on the side right here. I'm going to drill a hole here and put voltage, a little one of these guys out here. Came off an old radio or whatever. This will be ideal for this little thing. And then you just plug this. I'm going to take this apart anyways. Takes like a regular, this will be good for AC. Plug that in and you get power. Anyways. And here's all the, there's are all the values. I have to go through every single one of these before I even attempt the building. If not, I might have some in my stash. But let's see. I'm trying to describe this the best I can. This is probably my first radio build. I'm going to build probably off camera because it's a pain in the neck. I don't want to bore you guys to death, but maybe I'll solder a couple of things here and there. And if you guys want to know what the company is, it's zxradio.tabo. No, it's taobao.com. The email is www.zxradio.com. CN, that's probably for China. That's my guess. It's trying to hold this screwdriver. Well, put this down. Let's see. Oh, that's right here. The information. This camera sucks, but hey, gotta use what you can afford and get and got. Get and got. Okay. 223 puff. Oh, they show you the resistors, the ceramic disc capacitors, the electrolytics. Then, like I said, you got the color band. If you don't know the color bands, of the color codes on a resistor. And so I got to make a whole inventory of all these parts. I'm gonna have to make a checklist and check all. So that's the schematic right there. It looks pretty straightforward. And yeah, so we'll find out on this deal. Let's see how many milliamps. 20 milliamps. See, they got their things. Their things are a little different from here. Everything's all different. Yeah. See, I can't read. See, I wish I had my camera to translate some of this. But as long as you got the schematic, you should be good to go. And yeah, I just want to know how much milliamps I can calculate. I believe it's like almost close to 7 volts, if that. So that's, yeah, 3 volts. Sorry. Alright. We got our parts right here. A little parts baggie. I guess I have cans in there. And this is, I guess, your bar antenna. Well, where's the wire that goes to it? If not, I might have a spare wire, or a spare AM. Oh, okay, there it is, right there. That's the AM antenna. And it goes over the toroid here, or the ferrite core bar. Got some these little tiny detector diodes in there. I can see one of those in there. See if I got a detector diode in here. Let's see, where are you, little detector diode? Where are you? Should be like right around in, I guess right around in here. Detector diode. Oh, come on, come on. Oh man, there's one. There's a diode IN4118. I could probably put Schottky diodes in there. I got some of them guys. Might make it more super sensitive. I can always. I got some of them. I think some Schottky diodes. IN4118. What's the other one? It's the same. IN4148. Same thing. I'm gonna see what I got in my stash. If I put those Schottkys in there, I bet you this thing will have more sensitivity. And you got your basic hardware in there, and then there's your variable capacitor right here. So we're gonna be busy a little while, and I'll show you my progress. I do this kit now, but you guys will be all bored to death. I'll show you in increments what how my progress is. But here's your tuning dial right here. It should be right to the where's that variable? Oh, there's a variable capacitor. It goes right on top of there, that wheel. It's hard to see in the camera, but this is it. You guys see it through the light. That's all the parts, and that's there's the NPNs or PNPs. I think those are NPNs. When you look in the schematic, we got for transistors. Okay, it's NPNs, NPN. I could have sworn it was an PNP. I think these are all NPNs. Push pull. Oh, see, NPNs. NPN. Oh, can't get it into the camera. Where the hell is the NPN? There's an NPN transistor here. This is really a difficult thing. Like I said, I'm not doing nothing fancy here. This is just raw material. You're getting what video you're seeing is what you get. I'm not like some of these hot shots out there have sponsors and everything. I wish I could have a sponsor, but to support my hobby so I can get some real equipment. But hey, use what you can afford, what you can use. I learned that from an old timer. Okay, detector diodes. Definitely going to use those shot keys. And I'm going to make sure I got the closest numbers to that. And let's see, the core. Yeah, this is going to be very interesting. And you got your capacitor here, and your diode. I think this is a protection diode or something like that. And these are your detectors that are on in there. But that should be a better shot for you guys. Where's my screwdriver? My handy driver here. It's got some pretty heavy-duty plastic. I can give it that for a Chinese kit radio. Let's see. Yeah, you can't read any of these. Let's see, okay, 22 puff or microfarads. Yeah, some of this is kind of like I'm trying to do my parts list here, and some of it's in Chinese and 8 ohm. That must be the speaker. Okay, and there's the ceramics. Oh man, I'm trying to read this dang thing. Okay, 1K. Oh, pardon me, excuse me. What's the revision on this? Oh, 2021, 518. No, 18/5/2021. And also the 5th of 2021. This was made, this kit. Anyways, this is what we're going to be working on, I guess. A little project that I've gotten from someone. And I'd like to make a disclosure on this video. I just got this, not a threatening email or on my channel. Somebody tried spamming my channel, saying I'm going to be knocked off YouTube. And so I reported it to YouTube. There was a threatening thing, and not threatening, but scamming kind of type of deal. Any scammers out there try to scam me, you're going to get it. So don't even try it. I'm not trying to sound like a tough guy or anything. I want to keep my channel the way it is. It's clean. It's no filthy mouth, none of that. This is just all electronics, ham radio equipment, and in the future do some kits here and there. There's another kit out there I like to get myself, but I don't remember where I saw it. I think it was eBay. But I got everything pretty much all down. This I want to like scrape down with a little bit of steel wool, clean some of that up nice. So it may have some of that coating on it there, get a good contacts. Well, I want to make this, I want to make it good for good, and that's that. But I'm not going to rush it. I'm going to take my time and enjoy the experience of making this thing. So that's the schematic. I'll get a picture of it there, so that's not really a good picture of it. For another reference, in case it gets crinkled up. But anyways, guys, well, this is the HX108-2. I believe that's what this is in Chinese, model number. And this is parts list in Chinese or whatever, values. And I think that's what this is too, all in Chinese. But anyhow, we will keep you updated. There's some parts, I can tell you that right now. Hopefully I don't screw it up. It's kind of foolproof. I mean, anyhow. Alright guys, well, I figured I'd show you the unboxing of this this massive hardware. Anyways, we got some work to do on this. So, anyways, guys, let's say 73 for now, and we're gonna do a little studying on this thing here. So, a little thumbnail in there, I guess. I don't know if that will work or not, but let's see how that works. Alright, we'll be catching you guys later. See ya.